Right there, Dan here from Barbecue Land, the UK specialist barbecue retailer in Hertfordshire. Today we're not going to be doing any cooking, we're going to be unboxing the Ooni Karu. This is the wood fired and gas powered and charcoal fueled oven. So let's dive straight into it. Let's open it up. Right, so straight away you can see it's well packaged. This looks like the fire door. So we've got foam in here as well. Lift him out. Right, this I believe is the door. Now this has got some good weight to it. Look how thick that is. That's obviously going to hold a lot of retention, heat retention inside the oven when you're cooking other things in it. So we get rid of this box. Right, so here's the oven. It doesn't weigh anything, so I can see this being very portable. I've got a puzzle inside of here. Right, we've got the chimney. With the chimney cap. So this looks to be where you would place your fire at the back. It's like a fire box, just like so. And we've got a little Allen key there. I'll show you what that's for in a minute. So now we've got the components all out the packaging. There's nothing in here, so we're going to stand it up. We're going to unfold these legs. It's a nice touch. They got some plastic, sort of rubberized actually, feet. That will obviously help save your any worked surfaces and give you a bit of grip to stop the oven from sliding around. So there we have it, looking very nice and sleek. It is, yeah, that is definitely thicker on the inside. So they've obviously thought about it and made the walls bigger. Got some insulation in there, so it will hopefully heat up a lot quicker, so you can get cooking on it. So we're going to get the stone, and the stone will go in from the front. Like so. There is a little hole under here just to help you if you wanted to remove the stone. Obviously place it in like so. Then we've put the fire grate in there. It sits at an angle like that because that will allow some airflow into the oven. So basically this will get pushed right to the back, and you can obviously see it in the back there. That's where obviously you'll load all your wood and charcoal. Before you even cook, you could load it and then push it into the back of the oven. So we've got a chimney here. This basically has got a little flap of metal that will be able to regulate the temperature, and obviously you've got a lot more control over the heat. So we've got some notches here. So we're just going to twist it. But we just want that sort of located on the side, like so. So get it so you can get it on the side, and that's that done. Then we have the rear fire door that will go in the back there. Just turn him round, like so. So obviously you can open it up and access, add more charcoal, add more wood as needed. On the back of this oven as well, because obviously where it's a wood and charcoal fueled oven, it's also got a gas accessory as well. So we've got an Allen key here, so you can just undo this section here, take this plate off, and then you can then take the fire basket out of here and then fit your gas burner. And that will just fit onto a standard patio gas cylinder. So it's easier than that. So there's obviously Allen key that you do not want to lose. There is a little space under here, might be on the other side, and it's got a little drop down that you can place the Allen key in there like so it doesn't get lost, which is, I think, a great little thing, because we all know as soon as you put them little bits and pieces anywhere, you probably ain't going to find them again. And then we've got this heavy duty, and I'm talking, this is very heavy duty. I'm surprised, to be quite fair, of the weight of this for a door as well. And obviously that will just sit in there like that. So there's the build of the Ooni Karu. It's very nice and sleek. I like the way they've done it with the sort of anodised look on that front piece. And obviously the build quality looks a lot better than their previous models. So stick around, we're going to be going over a few more bits and pieces, like all the accessories. That'll be on the next video. And also we're going to be doing some cooks on it, so stay tuned. And there we have the Ooni Karu, all built up, ready for its first cook. So stick around, there is another video that's going to be coming out. We're going to show you all the accessories and what you can do on them, etc. So don't forget to check that one out. And we're going to be doing some series of cooks on the Ooni Karu with different methods and using different fuel sources as well. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and if you've got any questions, don't forget to put them down in the description below. We'll try and answer them for you. Well, I'll see you on the next one.